Today I'm going to be doing a French braid crown on my hair where I'm going to actually be including all of my hair in it. So what I did is I parted it on the side and then I went ahead and swooped all the hair over my shoulder. So what you want to do is you want to start with the French braid just right here at the top in the corner, and you want to try to make it as tight as possible at the top, and then as you go down you can make it looser and you're going to be taking more hair at that point. So first we'll just start with like a really tight French braid, and I'm doing Dutch, which is where you go under. So here I go. Now I'm going to start to pull the hair for the French braid, and again I just want this to be like really tight up here on the top. It's kind of hard to see because I have the dark hair, but I'm just grabbing little bits of hair to start, and then as I go down I'm going to be grabbing bigger chunks of hair. So as you can see, the French braid is pretty tight right there, and now I'll start to grab just like a little bit more hair than I was grabbing because now I'm starting to go down my head. And see, I just want to grab, because now I'm going to start to want all of my hair to be included. So as you can see, now I'm grabbing the big chunks of hair and just wrapping it under. So I'm doing the Dutch braid. And then what I'm going to do when I'm all done is I'm going to go back and loosen the braids. So now you can see I'm starting to get a lot of my hair included. And I'll even grab it from the back and swoop it to the front, because I want all of the hair. I'm almost done. And you might have to pin the back of the hair depending on how short your hair is. And see, now I just have a little bit more to go and I'm almost have all of my hair. So now I just grab the rest of my hair, and now I'll just finish it off with the braid down. And then what I'm going to do is I have a pink hair tie I'm going to use to match my shirt today. And as you can see, so it doesn't look that good yet, but what we're going to do is we're going to loosen it once we get there. So I have these Gimme Beauty hair ties. I really like them. They don't break your hair. They're super soft and they come in different colors, so now I can match my outfits with them. So this one's pink. Okay, so now it looks a little bit funky, which is totally normal. So you can go back and like curl this side, and then I just have like a little bit loose over here, so what I'll probably do is I'll probably pin that. But to just make this look a little bit better, I'm gonna start to pull the hairs out to kind of just really make it full. And now you can see it. Oops, I accidentally pulled that out. Put that back in because I'm making it just really loose. And now you can kind of see all the big bulky braid that's there. And then, like I said, I'll just probably pin this over and then recurl this side. But yeah, there is the big Dutch crown French braid with the matching hair tie.